Hello and welcome back to Pracky Reviews. I hope you all are enjoying my videos, and today I have with me the perfect solution to detox your face. Like, this is one of the best detox skincare routine that you can have on a lazy weekend. So to know what it is, keep watching the video. Hi guys, so like I said, if you're looking to detox your face, there are days when you've had a really long week and you want to just chill on the weekend and take care of yourself and take care of your skin, and you're looking to, there's a lot of oil and stress and, pigmentation and stuff like that. So there is something that you're looking for, like a quick fix which will do away with all these problems, and which will really make your face clean. It will make your face, it will detoxify your face. So today I have with me a product which is going to really change the way you look at your detox skincare routine, and it is the Herb Garden Cilantro Detox Face Pack. So today we're going to be talking about the Cilantro Detox Face Pack, which is essentially for, for oily and acne prone skin with maybe a little bit of pigmentation and stuff. So if you have some pigmentation or spots, or if you have, if your skin has become oily and you've started getting a bit of acne, it is that time of the month. So whatever it could be, and you're looking to detox your face, this is really good product that I have been using, and I'm going to tell you the amount of things that are there in this one. So basically, a little bit about the brand. The Herb Garden is a brand they're based out of Bangalore, and they have specialized products for skincare and hair care. These are really painstakingly formulated with a lot of good ingredients going into them. Like, even this has so many ingredients. It says charcoal, but it has a whole lot of other natural ingredients in it which really work wonders on the skin. And it is this brand is, it's an award-winning brand. It has won the South India Business Award. So this Herb Garden does not test on animals, so they are cruelty free. They do not have, like I mentioned, they do not have any artificial colors or preservatives. And they recommend a patch test because, natural products may react differently on different people. So it's always good to, and in generally it is good to have a patch test for a 20, and wait for 24 hours before you use a product on your face. So that about it. And it's 100% natural, so they have all natural ingredients, which is amazing in today's day and age. And they have no fragrance oil. Like I said, they all of the fragrance is derived from pure essential oils. That's unheard of in today's day. And this is freshly homemade. I like how they say that it is freshly homemade, so it makes you feel kind of special about it. And yeah, the product is for 6 months, so it lasts for 6 months because it is freshly homemade and has a lot of natural ingredients. The validity is just for 6 months. This is how natural it is. Cilantro means, it's a Greek name for charcoal. So this is like a activated charcoal based detox face pack. And activated charcoal is amazing when it comes to detoxing. It unclogs your pores. It kind of, there are a lot of things. It removes the impurities from your skin and dead skin cells, and it makes so it, I'm just going to tell you what it is. It's got bentonite clay and kaolin clay. It's got colloidal oats, and so basically it's a form of oats. It's called charcoal. It's got spirulina. It's got rose, turmeric, tea tree oil, and chamomile and geranium oil. Essential oil. Cilantro detox face pack. I'm just going to quickly show you how I use it. it worked wonders because of the clay. It really helped. Like, I have problem areas in my T-zone. I have an extremely oily skin, and this face pack just kind of took off all the extra oil without, very important, without drying out my skin. And it also, like, the charcoal kind of helped. So my skin felt cleaner, and I could see that it's visibly clean, and there is some amount of oats in it, so it's slightly, like, it's got a slightly rough scrubby texture to it. So I kind of, when I was applying, washing it off, it kind of automatically exfoliated my skin, which again made my skin like really smooth. It helped to it helped. The clay made my, like, my pores became smaller. They kind of shrinked my pores a little bit. And it has got spirulina in it. What is spirulina? It is a herb. It is an algae herb which is antibacterial. It has a host of essential minerals and vitamins, and a whole lot of, a lot of B12 in it, which kind of works wonders on your skin. It kind of it takes away any damage, and in fact encourages skin repair. So it kind of makes your skin smoother and brighter and finer and nicer with it. And spirulina is one of the rare herbs available, so if you have this in it, it is a win-win. And it has also got turmeric in it. Turmeric, everybody knows, like, you get a glowing skin. Turmeric has been used in skincare forever. And you also have tea tree essential oil, which is again anti-acne, and it works against pigmentation. It works on the pigmentation and gives an even toned skin. And you also have, it smells amazing with the chamomile and geranium oils in it, essential oils. It just sort of, it has this calm, nice fragrance, which is perfect. Like, put on the face mask, and you just have like 20 minutes to yourself, 10 minutes to yourself, and it is like a mini vacation in itself. So while you're detoxing your face, you just get, it just calms you down from within. So I have had a very great experience with this product. It is the Zilantra Detox Face Pack from the Herb Garden, and I totally recommend this to anyone who has oily skin. I personally have sensitive skin, so it worked just fine for me. So even if you have sensitive skin, although you should patch test first, but it did work very well for me. I definitely would want to use this product at least once a week, to make sure, like, to keep my oil in check. And generally, this is one of the best products that I have come across so far. So much for the Herb Garden, and so much from me, Praki Reviews, and see you in my next video reviewing something else. And please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, because each like and each share matters to me a lot. And I hope you keep enjoying my videos as much I enjoy making these. So this is signing off from me, from Praki Reviews. See you next time. Bye bye.